Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. What we got here is a vehicle that a lot of you guys know, but I just did a couple upgrades and I decided to grab the camera and show how to do that. So it's going to be a little bit easier for you guys to do that as well. So what it is, this is the Red Cat Racing Everest 10. Red Cat Racing Everest 10 is a really cool platform for rock crawling because there is a lot that you can do with it. Now, the one that you're looking for here is much wider because I put the extension on it. I also put in right now front and rear steering. So this is the new servo on the rear. And we have here the pre-assembled one over there from the factory. I'm going to get rid of the nickel metal battery, and then you have to change the jumper right here to lithium battery just so it's going to work for a little bit longer time. And let me grab something real quick. There it is. Let's put this underneath the car. Let's go there. Okay, it's hard to do with one hand. Now let's release this. Okay, so this is the wheel with the wheel extension. You see inside this blue piece. This blue piece is a wheel extension, and what it does, it's actually make the vehicle a little bit wider for you. It's about gonna make it another inch in every direction wider. So you have here the regular X. Actually, this is the X that go over there, and this is that small. And you get rid of this out of the wheel, and then you put the wheel extension, and it's giving you another extra inch. And you're gonna bring this. It's hard to do with one hand and hold the camera, and that's it. And now the vehicle is about 2-inch wider. While it's 2-inch wider, it's giving you a much better sport driving, and you can go over different obstacles much easier. Also, front and rear steering. You're gonna need to get rid of the regular remote that come on the vehicle, and I have a different remote that is actually giving you extra channel for extra control front and rear. Now, if you need the remote, I have the remote for it. If you need the steering servo and the mounts and all the hardware that you need to change, let me know. We are located at 17555 Chatsworth Street in Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344. Now, if you are in another state, what we can do is very simple. I can just put everything in a small box and tell you how much it's going to cost to ship it, and we can ship it to you so you can do the same thing. And it's a really cool platform. And what I'm going to try on it as well is right here is those wheels that I was experimenting with. So this was one that we did, and then this was actually the hardest one that you cannot actually squeeze it at all. Then there was this one. It was a medium, kind of, you can see a little bit squeeze on the bottom. Then this one was a little bit softer, and then this one was actually the best. Look at this, guys. I can actually squeeze it. This is 3D printed. So what will happen is, as soon as, let's put it on the side here, right there, when you're gonna go over an obstacle, this will actually grab better the obstacles and be able to go up and down. Look, I can push it all the way in, and it will just go back to be straight. And this is out of my 3D printer right there. Those we don't sell or anything. Those we just make. It's literally take more than 4 days to make each one of those. So when you have something like this, it's take you a very long time to do. It's a couple weeks. Anyway, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any question or anything, just ask. I'm gonna show a lot more stuff how to do. Always write a comment, because your comments, it's what I know what you guys would like to see. And when this vehicle will be finished, I'm gonna show you guys how it's run and explain more thing about it. See you in my next video. Again, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage, Motor Styles Hobby Shop, Granada Hills. Bye.